Welcome to No Plan B. If you're new to our journey, I am Rich and Shelley Goodwin. We are Rich and Shelley Goodwin. I'm not Rich and Shelley Goodwin. I am Rich Goodwin. This is Shelley Goodwin. We bought this house 9 years ago to be closer to the ministry we worked for. Since then, our kids have grown up and moved out, and we are now grandparents.
Yay!
I thought it'd be a little more exciting than that, but apparently not. 9 months ago, we felt like God was asking us to step away from the ministry that we loved and worked for and were a part of for the last 14 years. And so our new plan is to move to Oklahoma to help out Shelley's parents who are aging. Her father has been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease, so we're going to go up there and start a homestead and just try to help him finish well.
But first, we have to sell our house.
In this video, we wanted to bring you along on our completed house remodel tour. Some of you are new to the channel, some of you may be potential buyers. Perhaps maybe you're just actually in the house right now and you've clicked on the QR code and you are watching this video. Or some of you may have been following our journey since we started our channel. You've seen, if you've been following the journey, you've seen what we've done in the dining room, the sunroom, the kitchen, the den, the butler's pantry, the half bath, and the laundry room.
Yeah, but there's a lot of rooms that you haven't seen because work on this house started years ago. We'll show you some of those rooms that you haven't seen yet. And if you stick around till the end of the video, there's some helpful hints for possible new homeowners, stuff we've learned along the way.
Yeah, love helpful hints. Especially that'd be good because if you're going to buy this house, you really kind of want to know these little nuances. So,
or if you ever decide to sell your house, this might be some information you want to include.
Yeah.
Let's get it started.
Yeah, without further ado, where are we starting first?
We'll start in the Jack and Jill bathroom with the 2 bedrooms. Is it Jack and Jill bedrooms or Jack and Jill bathroom?
It's a Jack and Jill bathroom. I guess because you're supposed to have kids named Jack and Jill, and they share the bathroom.
We had Joe and Elizabeth. It didn't really...
That didn't work out.
No.
Well, why don't you get going? Keep going.
All right, so we scraped the popcorn ceilings, we textured the walls, we put new trim in, we painted...
Wait. We have more than 2 children.
Yes.
One of them just didn't live in this house.
One of them had already gone off to college.
Correct. So
he did come back and visit.
He did, yes. Sorry.
But we'll get to the guest room later.
Right.
Okay. So in the Jack and Jill bedrooms, we scraped the ceilings, we textured the walls, got rid of the really groovy intercom system, put down new flooring. It's a really nice engineered hardwood floor. I like that floor. We completed the bathroom. The bathroom was a total remodel. Tell them about your favorite part of that old bathroom.
It was just a shower that was in there. They had a seat in the back, and not only was it crooked, it was unlevel. And so you're like, who? Anyway, it was just bad. So needless to say, as you can see, the groovy floor, that tile, it was like blue.
The pink and blue.
Yeah, the pink and blue. It's gone.
Yeah, I didn't love the pink and blue.
Next, we'll move into the formal living room. We ripped up the parquet flooring in the entryway and the old carpet in the living room, replacing it all with a vinyl plank flooring. We also painted the walls and trim and applied a German schmear to this gigantic orange brick fireplace that was here. The reason we did that was because we liked the floor that we laid. However, up against the orange brick, it just was not working for us, so we came up with the solution that you see here.
So next is the hall that is to our guest room and guest bath.
Is that where our third son would come in?
That's where he's
the first son.
He is the first son.
Yeah.
That's where he gets to stay when he comes and visits.
Yeah.
Rich built a new linen cabinet for the hallway there because the old linen cabinet had a weird air return in it. There were air returns all over this house. One of the things we did in the very beginning was centralize all the air intakes so that we could put filters in them without having to get up in the attic. The bathroom was a complete remodel. That was the nicest bathroom in the house, but...
I mean, when we bought the house, that was the nicest bathroom. However...
It still needed to be redone.
Yeah, it was bad.
The bedroom got new flooring. We put a light kit and a ceiling fan. That's one of the first things we did because you couldn't see anything.
Yeah, if you notice in the picture that you're looking at, there's no light kit on that fan.
We did the master bath and bedroom remodel. I think my favorite part of that remodel was removing the wedding cake molding from the bedroom that had crown molding in it. It was awful. It was so bad. Sorry if you like wedding cake molding.
I like wedding cake. I like cake.
It shouldn't be applied to walls.
I don't know. Back in 1987, apparently it was a big thing.
Yeah. So we removed the corner tub in the master. We removed everything in the master bath.
That was another complete regut.
We went all the way down because it was just, there was mold and it was just gross.
We took out the corner bathtub and we put in the current bathtub.
Right.
Made it in line with the shower, which we made bigger. It was a smaller footprint when we bought it, but since we were redoing everything, we just made it a little bit bigger because we wanted a bigger shower area. That brings us to the rooms that we have been working on for the last 9 months, which we started up in the attic where I re-insulated the ductwork, and then we also added 12 inches of blown-in insulation. And you have been running the numbers.
I have. One of the things that's kind of cool is that our electric company sends me a weekly report of what the average temperature was and our kilowatt usage per day. So comparing that to the same numbers from last year, like the same temperature range, we're saving a little over $1 a day on energy costs.
Here are the before and after pics of the other rooms. If you want to see more of the process, please, you can go and watch our other videos that we've done. It's in the playlist called City House Remodel. I'll put the link of that up here somewhere. Shelly's got pro tips.
I don't have pro tips.
Pro tips.
There was a switch in the entryway that took us like 3 years to figure out what it did. 3 or 4 years. So there are outlets on the sides of the house that are controlled by that switch. And so if you want to put your Christmas lights, plug them into the exterior outlets on the sides. Right now we have our party lights in the back. We've got an extension cord run to them from that outlet on the side, and you just flip the switch. Another thing that we were careful to do was to keep all of our paint. So we have records of all the paint colors. I hate not knowing what color's on the wall in case I need to touch up, because there's always some kid that, you know, rams a chair into the wall or something and it needs a little touch up. There's some really fun light fixtures that we put in this house that they're in the bathrooms and the kitchen, and the color temperature is selectable on the back. So if you like it bluer or warmer, you can actually select the color temperature on the back. One of the videos that didn't get made, but work that we did, was we replaced the hot water heater in that side of the house.
Correct.
That was this year. That was in May of 2024.
Yes. Did not leak, was just making weird noises. So we thought before it starts leaking, let's just get ahead of it.
Yeah.
Because we had replaced the other hot water heater in the garage 5 years ago.
And we had no idea how old that one was.
Correct.
So we just went ahead and replaced it. In June of 2022, we replaced the fence in the back.
Fun project.
Our daughter helped us, and we had a lot of fun. That was our first building project, really, with just our daughter.
That's correct. Yeah. So new fence. Fan motors in both the condensing units outside have been replaced. The one probably 5 months ago. The other one about 2 years ago. But it's been a great house, just for us and for our family, and it's been a fun process just going through the various rooms and updating them and seeing what they did back, some of them in the 80s. And our hope and our prayer is that this home will be a blessing to its future owners. And so if you want to continue watching our journey as we move up to Oklahoma and start this homesteading thing, which we have no idea how this is going to turn out, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we actually have started that process. So, all right, thanks for watching.